Ano, first time namin magka-work ni Paolo, actually, nagkakilala lang talaga kami last year, fully. At tagal na namin dito sa showbiz industry, pero hindi talaga kami nag-uusap or magkakilala or personally kwentuhan. Literal na last year lang talaga. So, with Lin lang. So, first time din namin magka-work and magka-umarte sa project. So, ang daming bagong adjustment. Pero surprisingly, hindi naman ako nahirapan with Paolo dahil sobrang galing naman siya umarte. Sobrang hasana po siya sa kahit na anong role. So, ayun, natuwa naman ako. And with Secretary Kim naman, medyo kinabahan ako na kaya naman mag-rom-com kasi parang serious actor siya. So, mga deep acting, itong babaw na. Sa taas. So, parang nagulat ako sa pinakita niya. So, yung range niya as an actor is very, extreme right? Ang galing niya talaga as an actor. So, hello, idol.
Ito na yung 50 dirhams. Yan po muna for now. Parang we have a lot of local shows also in the Philippines this year to give, para mapasaya rin yung mga ibang kababayan natin sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. And hopefully, we get to perform for other Filipino communities in other countries.
The question po is, what is next after What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Will it ever be considered for Kim Pao to do a movie project here or will be shot here in Dubai? Kung possible lang.
Ano na nga yung pelikulang ginawa dati sa...
Dubai.
Angelica.
Yeah. Money and Love.
Money and Love. I love it. Coco Martin. And
Angelica and
Coco Martin, yes.
But for another project, for a movie project, probably there's a strong possibility that we might do it.
Looking forward to that.
Strong possibility.
Abangan.
And as for, parang yan po muna for now.
Please don't forget to watch finale week na din ng Lin Lang this week. And also Secretary Kim sa View. Pero nasa TV pa rin kami.